guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I am on my way down to AAR headquarters because one of my awesome subscribers sent me grills for this car, and one of the vehicles I was looking at trading for this car is actually going to come by the shop, and we're going to take a closer look at it and put it up on the lift. So this is one you don't want to miss. You got about a foot and a half. Yeah, come up about a foot. That's it. All right, guys. So you guys saw at the intro, we're putting the Trans Am, the Formula, up on the lift. These wonderful gentlemen just came by and are looking at swapping the car for the GTO. So we're gonna pick her up and take a look and see what she looks like, and go from there. Y'all got social media? Y'all got Instagram and shit?
Yeah, I followed you on everything I got.
Oh, you got Instagram. I gotta look and see which one it is so I can follow you back. What's your Instagram? Hold on.
Tristan Locke.
Tristan Locke. What's yours?
Zachary Miller 74.
There you go. Y'all go follow him, ladies. You know, titty photos only in the DMs. I'm just saying. All right, guys. So you guys see it up on the lift. So. All right. So valve cover gaskets for sure. The rack looks good. Got some splatter and shit back here, which is to be expected. Starter looks good. That's an O2 sensor. That's torn right there. We don't give a fuck about O2 sensors. Drive shaft looks good. Rear end looks decent. Yeah. Fuel filter looks like it was recently done.
Yeah, it's a brand new one.
Alright. Do. Yeah. Alright. And the exhaust looks solid on this one too. Well, you guys let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. Looks pretty clean to me for what it is. Gonna need some shit, but that's just shit to do on the channel, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, she looks really solid. I'll bring her down, pop the hood, and did you replace the lights with the LEDs on the corner lights and stuff, or they came that way?
No, they came that way.
That's what's up.
And then there's extra green lights for everything inside, the original lights for everything inside.
Cool.
And then all lights for tail lights and headlights.
Whew.
94 automatic for it.
I know, right? Super. Oh, serpentine belt. Okay. So this is a newer. You got a Lingenfelter intake? Jesus Christ. All right. Well, I mean, it makes sense. It's why this motherfucker is running like a rape tape when you were running against a fucking Supra.
That Mercedes.
Them bum ass BMW Toyotas. Yeah, she looks clean, man. So somebody did headers on this, huh?
Yeah. We did headers and exhaust, full headers and exhaust.
Damn. That's what's up. Iron block, because she's definitely keeping the heat. I like that they got the fuel line labeled. That's clean. All right. Oh, I like how they ran this too.
Yeah, and it's hooked up. It's got sub wires all hooked up and everything. You just plug them in the back.
Cool.
Everything's ready to run.
What's up?
I sold my subs.
I used to have like at least 1 or 2 speakers, and then when I started getting into the actual racing, I was just like, nah, it's just more weight.
Yeah. I had 212 Rockabells.
Woo! That bitch was booming.
Yeah, they were pretty fucking mad. He almost got them.
Yeah, I almost bought
You almost bought them?
Yeah.
How's the pop-ups? They work pretty decent, the lights?
Oh yeah. I think that motor just. My dad said it was.
I ain't worried about it. Yeah.
Yeah, they pop up and go down every single time.
Cool.
But they're notorious.
Yeah, I ain't worried. As long as, because I know they have there's a manual tab or some shit.
Yeah, and yeah, you can pull them up yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, for operation, remove here. Yeah.
Just turn them.
Yep.
It's like a kickstart on dirt bike.
Oh.
Where's the automatic seat?
The clutch?
An automatic seat.
Yeah.
Let's see as well.
Yeah, it's electrical.
It's electric.
Well, guys, so taking a look at the formula, I'm definitely interested in it. My man's over here did drive the GTO and does like it, so I think we're gonna hit the tag office up and try to get that done. But so y'all will have to stay tuned for that. But let me know what you guys think about this thing in the comments below. I think, you know, $3-4 grand into this thing and it would be a monster. All right, guys, so we're in the cockpit now. We're gonna take her for a quick little ride and see how she handles. I'm really interested in this formula. I'm not gonna lie to you. Brakes are real spongy, but yeah, I see what he's talking about with the trans. Well, she runs good, guys. She runs damn good. Seems to run good. That's a transmission mount that would need to be replaced. And I definitely need to do some work on the brakes. But temperatures look good. Oil pressure looks good. I love the exhaust. Steering has a little play, but these older cars, you know, these 90s Trans Ams and stuff did it. You can see how I can pull on the steering wheel down, right? That was a known issue. My my Camaro did that. But overall, I have no complaints here. All right, here we are. Now that's a transmission mount. But she doesn't want to go to the third. Okay, that's a little concerning, but it's really because the shifter is so low. We need to see if we can get a mount, and I'm gonna have to see what the difference is. You got the fuel air mixture here. She runs though. She runs like a beast. Yeah, she drives, man. She runs and drives good. You know, it's not without its issues or things that it would need to address. So now it's just about seeing if we can get the paperwork done on it. I'm interested, man. I'm damn interested. I really am. What do you guys think about this one? You're gonna have to let me know in the comments. Like, she tracks pretty straight, even though the steering wheel's a little off kilter. You know, I think she's probably gonna need alignment, maybe some suspension work. I know the same stuff I just did on the GTO, right? Definitely gonna need some gaskets and stuff, but overall, I think she's gonna be a pretty solid car. You guys are gonna have to let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, but I gotta tell you, this thing right here is an absolute beast. There it is, guys. So you guys might be seeing this one here on the channel here soon. That thing is a beast, man. That thing is a cold beast right there. There he goes. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys think about that Pontiac Trans Am in the comments below. If you think it's a worthy trade thing or maybe even a purchase. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. But it was something I wanted to show you as I was checking out some of the different offers I was getting for the GTO. But let me know what you guys think about this one.